meeting, we had, an industry, all of you had committed that by end of March we will have a proper structured program on all the 4 items. But I don't see that structured program so far. So while we from the government are trying our best, it is now the ball is in your court, the ball is in the industry's court to come up with equal efforts. The efforts that we are making from the government, you have to be in tango and you have to really scale up your efforts and scale up your ambitions on these 4 items. And I am repeating the 4 items so that we don't forget them. First is that we will have to build in-house design capability. Whether it is one designer, 2 designers, whether it is in collaboration with any other company, or in collaboration with any university or collaboration with any other structure, but we have to have significantly deep design capabilities, and there is no way out of that. That is the learning curve we must climb. Then only our country will become really the hub or the focal point of entire electronics manufacturing. Without that, we will just be kind of also ran. We have to get into electronics design, component design, machine design. Design has to be one of the primary focus. इसमें अगर किसी को भी कोई डाउट है तो इस प्रोग्राम से भी बाहर निकल सकते हैं. हमें कोई आई एम वेरी ब्लंट अबाउट इट, लेकिन अगर डिजाइन के बिना अगर कोई आगे बढ़ना चाहता है तो इस प्रोग्राम से बाहर भी निकल सकते हैं. हमें कोई हिचक नहीं हो सकती. डिजाइन में इंक्लूड डिजाइन आपको इसमें लगानी ही पड़ेगी, डिजाइन की कैपेबिलिटी बढ़ानी ही पड़ेगी. And over a period of time, those who do not invest in design will be weeded out. We'll make sure that they are weeded out. I'm saying that very blunt and very open because that's very, very important for our nation. And we in our party, we always believe nation first, always first. We will not look at individuals, we will not look at companies. For us, nation always comes first, and for the nation, design capabilities are very, very important. So those who do not invest in design will be weeded out. Second, we will have to develop our Swadeshi supply chain. We will have to have very coordinated buyer-seller agreements. And I request the industry associations to organize this at least once a month. अभी तक मैं आपको बोल रहा था कि आप लोग आइडिया लेके आए हैं, लेकिन आप लोग लेके नहीं आए. So now we will prescribe. अब आपको जो हम बोलेंगे वो करना पड़ेगा, मैंडेटरी करना पड़ेगा.